How to save items on Temu. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application first and get logged into your Temu account. Now let's go ahead and pick an item in order to save it. You can also search for any item. For instance, I'm going to go ahead and search for baggy pants. Here, let's go ahead and tap on any of it. In order to save this item, you have to scroll below. Then you will see Save button under Product Details. Tap onto it. As you can see that this product has been saved to Wishlist. You can repeat the same process for other products as well. Scroll below and just tap on Save. Now once you have added product, in order to view it, you have to tap on this Use section. And you will also see the option of Wishlist. Tap onto it and you will see all the products that you have added or saved on your wish list. In order to unsave, just go below and untap this Save option. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.